Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So I want to bring you another product that I just picked up. I think you guys will really like this. I've done a few of these before, but this one really sets the standard. It's really nice. It's a perfect fit. And it comes in a finish that'll really pop inside these vehicles. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up. So as you guys know, if you have a Honda or Acura product, these wireless chargers are pretty worthless. You can try to use them. They'll start charging for maybe 5 minutes and then they'll stop, or you take a corner and it slightly moves off the surface and it won't work. And especially if the case you have has the raised camera on it, which most of them do, it won't sit flush. So then again, unless it's perfectly straight, it'll stop charging. So it's irritating because you'll be driving, say you take a long road trip and you think it's charging and you get there and it hasn't charged the whole time. So I'm always a fan of how they do the magnetic chargers here now, just to use this spot since it's already a spot for that reason. So this guy named Mark, he owns a Etsy store called Prints by 2T. He makes custom 3D printed holders. It'll be a MagSafe holder that fits right in this area. And then your phone will stick magnetically to it, so it'll always charge. No matter how hard you corner, it doesn't matter. It'll charge a lot faster than this thing does, and it's reliable. So check out what he did. Here's the product. Check that out. It's 3D printed with a carbon fiber finish on it. And I love how this looks. It's a perfect design. Has a 3M tape on it, so it'll securely fasten here. You won't have an issue with it. Comes with the charger, and it's black, so it blends right in. And check this out too. He 3D printed one of these cable reels in the same pattern. So instead of having all the wires all messed around in here, now it's a nice clean look. You plug it in, let out how much you need, and it'll be clean in here instead of having, like, I've usually just shoved my wires in and then it's just a big mess. So he also makes this just in a plain textured plastic that's a little bit more like that, has a texture to it, a little cleaner look, depending if you don't like the carbon fiber look. I'll put links in the description. He has them for the 2021 to current Acura TLX and the 2022 to current Acura MDX as well, since those are a little different sizes. So definitely check him out. He's a great guy. It's a great product, like I said. Super sturdy, and like I said, that finish is awesome. Just look how when you put it down in here, how it looks. He has a little cutout here, so it won't crimp the wire when you tape it down. Very easy. So I'm going to peel this off. You want to clean this really well. I use Windex on it, so it'll strip any oils or anything like that. And I just turn it off because there's no reason to have it on. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and I'll stick it and I'll show you exactly how it looks, the final product. Check that out. Super tight. That thing's not going anywhere. Goes in here, has a little cable reel. And I let more out only because I have the little tray. So it smashes this down anyway, so it has to be kind of low. But nice, clean design. Look at that. Perfect fit. Attention to detail for sure, because it fits perfect. Super sturdy. When you close it, looks clean. Like I said, you have that carbon fiber finish. And if you don't like that, like I said, the black textured one he has as well. I just like that. I like the look of it. It's custom. Nice clean look. I'll show you exactly how it works here. So this is the 15 Pro Max, so it's the biggest phone that Apple makes, to give you an idea how it doesn't interfere with anything. Like I said, it'll work with any case. That's MagSafe. Just keeps charging just like that. Super tight, doesn't interfere with the lid. You can take it out like this with the lid in place. It goes right back in. You slide it underneath the lid. And this is the biggest phone. No problems. It's elevated, the charging puck, so it'll clear if you have bigger cases on it, like an OtterBox with a bigger camera protector. It'll clear no problem. And that's where all these OEM ones have issues. So if you guys want something that charges, holds your phone in place, and looks cool at the same time, definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the description, guys. You'll really like it. Now you don't have to worry about your phone charging. I put my phone on it, charges perfect, and it charges faster than the OEM one does as well. So it does the job, and it looks great too. So definitely check them out. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.